what Lucas is doing here and really watch him run these manipulations. And what he's showing you is what happens if you get injured in your strong hand and you have to go through with your weak hand. He shows the different places on your body that you can rack the slide, different places you can keep the magazine, your body position, different things that you can do. These are all just really great training and implementing, training things that you can implement into your training and hopefully practice enough to where they become muscle memory and even part of your personality to where you're just able to really greatly do them and just very strong in a tough situation without even having to think twice about it, right? So it's just ingrained in who you are as a person. It's super important that we do that, that we train to that point to where it's habit.
Alebo zase mám tu variantu, že to naklikám niekde. Vezmem, natiahnem, malo by to zostať nejak takto. Hej, strieľam. Čo sa